In this video, we are demonstrating how to refurbish the Samsung Note 8 broken screen. Hope you enjoy our sharing. Hello everyone, today we are introducing what tools and machines to use and how to refurbish Samsung Note 8 broken screen. Freezing separate machine, mold, cover glass, heating separate machine, glue remover. Now we start to refurbish the broken screen. First of all, test whether the display and the touch function work properly. All function works normally. Disassemble the screen and prepare to refurbish the screen. Put the broken screen in the freezing separate machine and freeze about 3 to 4 minutes. After freezing 3 minutes, disassemble the cover glass. Fix the screen with the middle frame and freeze for a while for easy separation. Use a knife blade to open the cover glass corner, then insert a plastic piece to separate the cover glass. Lay the screen on the heating separate machine to heat and clean it off. Test whether the touch function works normally. Touch works okay. Hit the screen again to remove the adhesive. Apply a layer of OCA tape on the screen. Continue heat the screen on the heating separate machine. During the heating, you can use a finger to feel the screen temperature. Remove the adhesive when you start feeling the temperature gets hot. Take out the screen, tear off the protective film on the OCA, and then remove the adhesive. Then, lay the screen on the heating separate machine again, and use the electronic glue remover to clean the rest of the adhesive. Clean off the screen, then prepare for LCD separation. When separate the LCD, separate the 4 black spots on the corners of Note 8 screen to prevent display malfunction. Put the screen into the freezing separate machine to freeze. Insert the filler gauge to open the LCD, then use the plastic piece to separate the LCD. Be careful not to damage the flex cable during the separation process. After separating the LCD from the middle frame, test whether the display and the touch function work normally. All function works alright. Apply the OCA tape on the new cover glass with the help of the mold. Then laminate the cover glass in the laminating machine. After laminating the OCA tape, debubble the cover glass. The whole debubbling process will take about 10 minutes, depending on the laminating result. Place the LCD in the mold, clean the dust off, then align the debubbled cover glass on the LCD. Laminate the screen again with the laminating machine. Debubble the laminated screen for at least 10 minutes in the debubbling machine. Take out the screen after debubbling and run through a function test. Function tested alright. Screen refurbish completed. Welcome to leave us a message if you have any question.